in this video we will learn how we can estimate beta for thinly traded or non-public companies. Now here the word thinly traded means the stock is highly illiquid. So the procedure is same for both thinly traded as well as for non-public companies. Okay, non-public companies are companies which are not listed on stock exchange. So here I will take the example of non-public company and show you how we can estimate the beta. So few important points you need to understand first. See, very first step what we will do, we will compare non-public company with publicly traded company. Okay, now this publicly traded company is also known as comparable company or peer company. Now this peer company is a company that has similar business risk. So the business risk of non-public company as well as publicly traded company will be same because they are into same business. Now very important point, financial leverage. Okay, you need to focus on financial leverage part because financial leverage can affect beta. So here adjustment must be made if peer company has substantially different capital structure. So what adjustment we need to do? See, very first step what we will do, we will find out unlevered beta of peer company. Now here unlevered beta means asset beta. Okay, and asset beta reflects only business risk. Now why it is also known as unlevered beta? Because we are eliminating the financial leverage part, because capital structure is completely different for non-public company and for public company. So if these two companies, okay, if these two peer companies have different capital structure, so this adjustment we need to do. So first we will find out unlevered beta, meaning we are eliminating the leverage part so that it gives me only asset beta, and asset beta reflects business risk. So whatever asset beta I will get for peer company, I will assume same asset beta for non-public company, because just now we have seen peer company is a company that has similar business risk, okay, as of non-public company. Once you got asset beta, then what we will do, we will re-lever the asset beta to reflect capital structure of the subject company, that is non-public company. So let's understand with the help of example. So ITC is a large conglomerate and wants to venture in footwear segment. So ITC like to venture in footwear segment. So this footwear division is not listed on stock exchange. So this is kind of non-public footwear division. Now ITC wants to determine the equity beta of footwear division. See, equity beta reflects both. Okay, equity beta reflects both business risk plus financial risk. So ITC wants to determine this equity beta of its footwear division. The division has debt to equity ratio of 0.7. The tax rate is 40%. Now here a publicly traded company data is given. So publicly traded company is Bata India. Here you can see, because Bata India is purely into footwear segment. So we can compare ITC with Bata India and we can say these two are peer companies. So whatever business risk of Bata India will be, okay, we can assume same business risk for ITC because they are into same business, right? So a comparable company data is given. Equity beta is 1.2. Debt equity ratio is 0.5. Now here you can see the difference. Okay, I can see both companies have different capital structure. So ITC is having debt equity ratio of 0.7, whereas Bata is having debt equity ratio of 0.5. So these different capital structure will have impact on beta. So that's why we have to do adjustment. And tax rate, you can see Bata tax rate is 40%. We need to find out equity beta of ITC footwear division. So here you need to understand, okay, equity beta includes both business risk plus financial risk. So very first step what we will do, we will find out asset beta. Okay, asset beta is also known as unlevered beta, meaning we will eliminate the leverage part. So how to calculate asset beta? Here the formula is given. To calculate asset beta, we need to pick equity beta and then we need to multiply with 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus t into debt equity ratio. Now here we need to take the data of comparable company because we need to find out asset beta of comparable companies. Okay, so here I will use the data of Bata India, and equity beta is given to us. Okay, Bata India is having equity beta of 1.2. okay, so this will be 1.2. now this 1.2, okay, is equity beta, so this have business risk, it also have financial risk. By unlevering it, what we are doing, we are eliminating this financial risk and we are only considering business risk. So that's why we are doing this adjustment, because we want only business risk, because capital structure is different for both companies. So we do not want financial risk, we only want business risk. Okay, so this will be 1.2, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus tax rate, which is 40%, and debt equity ratio of Bata, I can see it is 0.5. so when you use, okay, this, when you do this calculation, okay, you will get asset beta of Bata 0.92. okay, this is business risk. Now same asset beta, okay, we can assume for ITC, as they are into same business, so the business risk will be same for both companies. Now here I need to find out equity beta, so I will take asset beta, which was 0.92, and I will re-lever, okay, as per the capital structure of ITC. This will be 0.7. so when you do this calculation, okay, you will get answer 1.30. okay, this is equity beta. So asset beta reflects only business risk. So first find out business risk and then re-lever the business risk for non-public company as per its capital structure, and then you will get equity beta. So equity beta reflects both business risk and financial risk. I hope you got the logic why we are doing this adjustment, because financial leverage, okay, can affect beta.